I'm Amanda.
And I'm Paxton.
I'm Katie.
Wow, way to be enthusiastic.
I can feel it.
I'm Katie. That's better. There you go.
No.
So, we're your typical white girls and boys. Really? So, today, on the White Girl Diaries, we are going to do...
I got 400 likes on the Tumblr post.
Oh my god, shut up.
Bitch.
Go somewhere, Paxton.
No.
Go somewhere.
No. No. Okay.
So today, we're going to learn how to be one with nature.
Oh, Tumblr famous! Don't talk to me that way. Oh, I got a call. Hello? No, I'm not doing anything important.
Rude! You are so rude. Oh my god.
It's Kelsey. It's Kelsey. She's popular. Hi, Kelsey. Oh, you're fat? Never mind.
Okay.
Wow.
Nature. Let us go. A lovely day in the outdoors.
Oh god, there's a spider web right there.
Be a man. This is nature.
I'm a woman.
You're not. We know about your penis.
Guys, so we're outside trying to be one with nature, and, well, I already saw a spider web. I'm just really scared. But anyway...
Guys, look, I found a stallion.
I'm gonna go make a flower crown. I'll be right back.
I'm gonna go ride my horse.
Yeah, so you can tell we're totally being one with nature right now. Oh my god, guys, we could totally take an Instagram picture.
Ooh,
and,
me
like,
first.
have an
Me first.
inspirational quote after it.
Me first.
Isn't this just lovely? I know.
Oh, I love it. It's so cute.
Thanks.
And totally not mainstream, because we're not hipsters. What are you
Hashtag
doing?
Beautiful. Hashtag gorgeous. Hashtag take the picture.
Perfect. Oh my god, the sun's like in my eyes.
Oh my god, I'm sweating.
Oh my god. Hey, hold me. I want to go back inside. Where's Tumblr? Tumblr.
I'm sweating right now. Oh my god, I'm going.
Ew. So, we've learned that being one for nature is not for white girls like us.
Where's the Starbucks fountain?
Like, there's no Starbucks at all around here. I'm really scared. Because usually, like, a Starbucks is, like, 10 miles from, like, another Starbucks.
Katie, hold me. Hold me.
Don't drop that. Don't.
I'm dropping it. I'm dropping it.
Well,
my God,
yeah.
it's like
We're probably gonna go back inside because I'm gonna die out here.
Just gonna walk away. Ride the pony.
I tried.
Try too hard.
I think I killed the Navajo girl.
Pocahontas. Oh.
That's racist. They prefer to be called Native Americans, not Pocahontases. Sorry. To all the Pocahontases out there. I mean Native Americans.
Shut the fuck up.
You missed.
You need to go somewhere.
Your life missed.
Okay, I'll go somewhere. I got it right here.
So it's time for us to go.
Thank God.
I hate nature.
I hate all of you.
But it was fun hanging out with you guys.
Hanking
really
out?
was.
Were we hanking out with them?
It really wasn't though.
Yeah. Fuck
It
nature.
was really fun.
Was
Well,
it
yeah,
fun?
so we learned that you guys should stay inside.
Go on Tumblr.
Drink your Starbucks.
Yes. Drink it all the way.
Because remember the Afrin kids, they just have black coffee. Black coffee.
Oh my god.
We're white, we can say that.
white coffee. Ooh.
Well, just
Starbucks is white coffee.
stay on Tumblr and reblog on Tumblr
About nature. And this
Yep.
look like you know a
And
lot.
post nature stuff on Instagram.
And just
Pretend that you actually did something.
Yeah.
Look, people don't actually have to know. Life is about lying.
And if they know, just
It would mean a lot to us.
and if you don't, Ariel dies.
Oh my gosh!
Shut up, Katie.